I am Moganapriya, your English teacher speaking. Today in this class, we are going to see Life of Pi, 12th standard, 2nd unit supplementary lesson. So many of you ask me why I am doing this in Tamil. I am doing this for Tamil Nadu syllabus in Tamil Nadu. Okay, for your wish, let me do both in Tamil and also in English separately. Hereafter, I am going to do all my topics in Tamil and also in English. Whichever version you want, you can choose. The choice is yours. Come, let us go into today's topic, Life of Pi. Life of Pi was written by Jan Martel. He was born in Spain to French Canadian parents. Martel's father worked as a diplomat. The family moved to Costa Rica, France, Mexico, and Canada during Martel's childhood. He grew up speaking both French and English. Martel studied philosophy at Trent University in Ontario and later spent a year in India visiting religious sisters and zoos. Maybe this was the reason for him to write or induced him to write the Life of Pi book. His first three books received very less criticism and also popularity. It did not gain him any name or fame. But in 2001, he wrote Life of Pi. This has made him to a great success and it awarded him the Booker Prize for the year 2002. This is a biography. It has 100 chapters and 100 chapters were divided into three parts. Three parts actually, one in Pondicherry in his native place and the remaining things are in ship and sea. First part, his stay in Pondicherry, that covers the chapter from 1 to 36. And here from 37 to 52, the happenings in the ships we could see. I have gathered few pictures from the movie, just you can watch for your references. See here, Pi was listening or observing the atmosphere of the sea, and this is the ship where you can get the food, that is canteen, and this is the deck, lower deck, where the animals are kept for the travel. And here this is the picture where his father is giving sedation to the animals so that it may not get disturbed mentally while going into the sea and because of the sea atmosphere. Pi goes to the upper part of the ship and notices the storm and predicts about the shipwreck. Second part covers chapter 53 to 94. Pi's struggle in sea with Richard Parker and weather conditions. Third part chapter covers from 94 to 100, Parker's departure and formal sections. Here in our book, it is an abridged version. Here is an abridged version of the famous Canadian fantasy adventure novel titled Life of Pi by Jan Martel, published in 2001. The protagonist, that is the hero, is the Pesline Molita Pi Patel, by an Indian boy from Pondicherry. He survives 227 days after a shipwreck while stranded on a lifeboat in the Pacific Ocean with a Bengal tiger named Richard Parker. Totally, they have not given all the 100 chapters here for our studies. They have given only the struggle of Pi in the sea with the Richard Parker and its departure. Only that part we have given, very abridged version we are having. This is the first session of the lesson now we have seen, and we are going to see the next lesson in the next class. Thank you.